How to make this pretty good transition.
It's pretty good.
Today's video is sponsored by the famous boyfriend of Salvador Dali, Walt Disney. Bring a short adjustment clip on top of your cut. Right-click on it, and select to open it in the Fusion page. Add a transform node, change the edges to mirror, right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Go back to the Tools tab, right-click to the size slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, the curve to easing, the in and out to sine, and check the mirror box. Set the scale value to 1.3, and the offset value to 1. Bring a time machine node. For this you need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the time machine tool. Change the mode to skip, and just leave the skip slider to 1 frame. Add a glow node. Bring down the shine threshold, and adjust the spread slider to your liking. Right-click to the gain slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, the curve to easing, the in and out to sine, and check the mirror box. Bring a duplicate node, increase the copies to 4, set the time offset to -1, and bring down the blend slider to your liking. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is no other option.